In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a list on Amazon and then share it with your friends and family. First of all, we'll need to add some products on this list. To add a product, you just need to find one. On this product page, you'll go on the right side, go down, and you'll see a button that is called Add to List. You'll need to click on it. Automatically, the list will be called Shopping List. This is if you don't edit the name. You can leave it like this, or again, you can type anything here. Let's leave it Shopping List. You'll need to click on this yellow button, Create List. Great, you have one item in this new list. Let's add a few more. Continue shopping. I don't know. Let's type, let's say I want a mouse. Again, on the right side, add to list. It will be automatically added this time. And okay, let's add a third item. I want some rice. This one. On the product page, on the right, add to list. Perfect, we have 3 items now. To view the list, you can click View Your List right here, or whatever you are on Amazon, just go on the right side, top corner, and then Your List, Shopping List. The name of your list will be right here. Click on it. Perfect, we have our 3 items. If you want to share this list, on the top right corner, it will be written Send List to Others. Click on it. And Amazon will give you 2 options. The first one is to send a link to somebody that can only view your list. And the second option is if you want that person to edit the list. So this means that this person will have the control to remove an item for the list and add new items to this list. So depending who they are, you'll have to choose between these 2 options. Let's say you just want the person to view it. Click on View Only and click on Copy Link. The link is copied. Right now you can go on your Gmail or Outlook, whatever email services, or even Messenger, and you can copy paste this link so the person can have access to your list. So this is it. You now know how to make a list and share it with other people. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if you found this tutorial useful.